from Saturday through early next week. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the open waters of Lake. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 8:15 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Atkinson and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Palmyra, and Hebron. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.